So the first step is called Teen Tali, and Teen Tali is literally 3 claps, and there are many variations of this step. So this is what we do. You dandiya on your left, dandiya above your head, and dandiya on your right. The same sequence can be reversed, where we go right, up, and left. Step 2, another step that you can do while you are sitting. Very simple. Throw your right hand up like this above your head. Throw your left hand like at your neck level, and then clap. Reverse your hands. Now left up, right down, and clap again. Now I'll show you the standing Teen Tali version. The hands of Teen Tali are very simple. So one is clap above your head. One is at somewhere like at your stomach level. Second and third will be throwing your hands away. So 1, 2, throw, and 1, 2, throw, and 1, 2, throw. Now leg work is also very simple. So you basically place your right leg ahead. So it goes 1, 2, behind, 1, 2, behind. So 2 claps. So first clap above your head and second clap throw. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we do this once again? Very simple. And the footwork is right in front, right behind. Right foot front, right behind. The step in Garba is called the Chapti roll or the snap roll. It's simply roll your hands and snap, roll your hands and snap, roll your hands and snap, and now stretch your hand above your head like that. Last and the 5th step is a little complicated because it has circles. But no dandiya and garba performance can be complete without introducing circles in your place. So here's how the last step is going to be, and let's learn the footwork first. So place your right leg, then cross it with your left, pull your right leg out and pull your left leg out. Let's do this once again. So right, cross, left, cross, right, out, left, out. So you do this twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we'll take 2 circles. So we'll go 1 and 2. So let's quickly revise all the steps. The first step is Teen Tali. So it goes 1, 2, 3. The second step is Do Tali. So it goes gather, throw, gather, throw. The third step is the parallel hands. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth step is the snap rolls. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the fifth and the last step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember a few things. 1, keep it very simple so that everybody can participate, people across age groups. Choose dance songs which are both in Hindi and Gujarati so that it caters to Gujarati speaking audience and also non-Gujarati speaking audience so everyone can enjoy. Do not forget the mirror image principle. So when you're facing the screen, your left is your viewer's right. So train yourself to dance left but stay right for the ease of your viewers. And remember that Dandiya and Garba is a folk dance. The aim of folk dance is to bring people together to have fun. So don't obsess so much about perfection or whether I'm getting the steps right or wrong. Just go out there and have fun. Happy Navratri, guys.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.